Okay, in today's session, we will solve the problems based on the half power beamwidth and first null beamwidth. So before solving the problems on the half power beamwidth, let us revise what do you mean by half power beamwidth. Okay, so half power beamwidth where the angular distance, now this will always be in the degrees. So I can say this is the angular distance between two points on the antenna pattern main loop. ठीक है. Now this will be different if your plots are different. So if I'm talking about the say power pattern, so I can say power pattern has a value of 1 by 2 or half, I can say. If you're going for the field pattern, अगर आपका पैटर्न जो भी है वो फील्ड पैटर्न है, it will have a value of 1 by root 2. ठीक है, so these are the angular separation or angular distance between 2 points where you'll get a half power 1 by root 2 field pattern. Or if you're having a dB plot, so in the dB plot your value or I can say has a value which is minus 3 dB than the maximum radiation. So if I want to denote this half power beam width, this half power beam width will be theta hp left माइनस थीटा एच पी राइट. ठीक है, ये लेफ्ट का और ये राइट का. ठीक है, इन डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स यू विल हैव दिस डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वैल्यूज. इफ पैटर्न इज अ पावर पैटर्न, हाफ पावर theta hp left, theta hp right. If you field pattern 1 by root 2, if dB minus 3 dB down. So this is all about the half power beamwidth. What about the first null beamwidth? So just a revision of first null beamwidth. This is also an angular distance. So I can say this is the angular distance between two points on each side of the major loop. Okay, so I can say this should be on each side of major loop. Now this should be just adjacent, not too far. So this will be just adjacent where your radiation drops to zero, where radiation drops to zero. ठीक है, so if I'm talking about the radiation pattern, if this is the directional pattern, this is the zero. ठीक है, so आपका ये वाला जो भी separation होगा, ठीक है, और ये वाला ये this angle will be called as the first null beam width. ठीक है, if you are having a power plot, so half power जहाँ पे drop होता है यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे, so this will be called as the half power beamwidth. These separations will be called as the half power beamwidth. So these things we have seen. Now we are going to solve the problems based on this for a half power beamwidth and a first null beamwidth. So I'll take one example which we have already seen. So the first problem here I'm going to solve an antenna having a field pattern. Now here pattern given is nothing but the field pattern which is having a e theta is equal to say cos theta. Angles are also given for theta, that is from 0 degree less than or equal to 90 degree. Now you need to find half power beam width here. Okay, so if I'm going to solve this kind of a problem, I know that whatever pattern given is nothing but the field pattern, so I need to go for 1 by root 2. Suppose I have this kind of the pattern, or you can draw a directly pattern if you know the values of theta, or you just put different values of theta and put the values like 0. Cos of 0 is always 1, then cos of ik is 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree. If you go till 90, that is also okay. But if you want to draw, or if you want to detail pattern, you put the values of these things. ठीक है, and you draw the radiation pattern. अगर आपको straight forward if you want to answer for the half power beamwidth, I can say whatever pattern is given is nothing but the field pattern. So ये pattern मुझे 1 by root 2 fall होना चाहिए. Then I can say that whatever I'm getting is nothing but मेरा जो होगा वो half power. So e theta is a cos of theta which is nothing but the 1 by root 2. I'll get only theta which is of either left side or a right side. So I can say e theta If I want it 1 by root 2, I can say this is theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by root 2. So I'll get here theta is equal to I guess 45 degrees. अगर आपका ये थीटा यहाँ पे 45 डिग्री मिल रहा है, ये 0 डिग्री पे मैक्सिमम रेडिएशन है, 90 डिग्री पे मिनिमम रेडिएशन है. सो अगर आप ऐसे निकालेंगे इसको, और इफ यू आर गेटिंग थीटा हियर एज 45 डिग्री पे आपको फॉल हो रहा है 1 by root 2. So I can say if this is a 45 degree, then again I can say ये minus 45 degree पे आपका I can say it falls to the minus 1 by root 2. So ये वाला value यहाँ पे मिलेगा. So always whenever we are getting a theta, to get a half power beam with double that theta. So 2 into 45 degree, whatever you will get is nothing but the 90 degree. So half power beam width in this case will be 90 डिग्री. अगर इसी के लिए अगर आपको फर्स्ट नल बीम विड्थ निकालना पड़ेगा, या फिर जहाँ पे आपका पावर जीरो हो जाता है, सो आई कैन से फॉर 90 डिग्री आई एम गेटिंग अ जीरो पावर, ठीक है, एंड फॉर 270 डिग्री ऑल्सो आई गेट अ जीरो पावर यहाँ पे, ठीक. तो इफ यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट दिस पर्टिकुलर डिफरेंस विल बी आई गेस द डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू एंगुलर सेपरेशन 90 माइनस और 2, sorry, this is a 90 degree, this will be the 270, and this will be, sorry, it's a 90 degree ka, so I guess 9918, so 180 degree and 270 degree. So 270 minus 90 degree will be 180 degree. So first null beam width इसके लिए 180 degree आ जाएगा, ठीक है. So this is all about how to find out the half power beam width. Let us talk about the next problem, whereas you need to find out both, that is half power beam width and a first null beam width. So by another method also you can do this particular problem. So problem number 2, for an antenna E theta is equal to sine theta, find both the things you need to find out here, half power beam width and फर्स्ट नल बीम width, ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे द गिवन फंक्शन इज अ साइन फंक्शन, सो वी नो दैट इफ हैज अ जीरो वैल्यू इट विल बी हैव अ जीरो वैल्यू. So if I want to solve this particular problem, I know that if I'm putting a sign of 0, what will be the sign of 0? It will be 0. What will be the sign of 90? It will be 1. Again, what will be the sign of 180? Again, it will be 0. ठीक है. So अगर आपको बहुत स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड इसका थीटा निकालना है या फिर हाफ पावर बीम विड्थ निकालना है, सो आई कैन से साइन ऑफ थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 by root 2, whereas theta is equal to sine inverse of 1 by root 2, which comes up 45 degree. Like previously done, half power beam width is nothing but the 2 theta, that is 90 degree. So here also you'll get, now where you are getting a first null, you are getting it at a 0 degree and at 180 degree, ठीक है. So first null beam width is equal to 180 degree minus 0 degree, which you will get a 180 degree. So whatever pattern you will get a half power beam width as a 90 degree and first null beam width as a 180 degree. So here if I am going to draw a pattern, or if you are interested in drawing a pattern, you put the different values of that theta and you can draw the radiation pattern like this. So if I'm going to get it for 0 degree, this will be the 0. If I'm calculating it for 90 degree, I'll get this theta is equal to 90 degree, theta is equal to 180 degree, and I can say this will be the theta is equal to 270 degree. So where I'm getting the maximum radiation at 90 degree, at 270 degree. At a 0 degree, I'm getting a 0. Okay. So if you plot a pattern, a radiation pattern, by putting the different values of theta, you will get the radiation pattern of this sort for sin theta function. और cos theta के लिए आपका इसका perpendicular ऊपर यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक, ठीक है. So where the half or 1 by root 2 power falls यहाँ पे, this will be called as a half power beam width. The angular separation from here to here, that's why I have calculated theta and then I have doubled that theta, ठीक है. So this will be the half power beam width, ठीक है. और यहाँ से लेके जहाँ पे आपको जीरो मिल रहा है, जहाँ पे जीरो मिल रहा है, the complete angle will be called as the first null beam width, and that's why I'm considering यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक first, बिकॉज आई नीड टू ड्रॉ इट प्रॉपरली. यहाँ पे जीरो, यहाँ पे जीरो, तो ये प्रॉपरली आपको ऐसे मिलेगा. सो जहाँ पे भी जीरो मिल रहा है, दिस एंगल विल बी कॉल्ड एज द फर्स्ट नल बीम width. So if your function is sine theta, if I'm putting e theta is equal to sine theta, I can say my half power beam width will be say 90 degree and my first null beam width will be the 180 degree. ठीक है. The same will be in the case of cos theta also, but your radiation pattern will be exactly opposite of this one. Maximas here and here, so where you will get a minimas at a 0 is theta is equal to 90 degree and 270 degree. ठीक है, so this is the